Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You need admin rights. Once you have them, open the browser history and the operating system's log viewer immediately. Start by exporting the browser's history file and take a screen capture so you preserve the original state. Then, open Event Viewer on Windows or Console/Unified Logs on macOS to begin building a timeline. Doing this early prevents accidental overwrites and explains why you act now. You want raw data preserved for deeper inspection. Now you dig deeper. Export the browser's SQLite history and query it for URLs and timestamps. Simultaneously, query system logs and the DNS cache to catch requests browsers might not record. Use targeted keywords and precise time windows to correlate entries across sources. This triangulation reveals patterns and missing gaps. Once done, assemble entries into a chronological list so you can see cause and effect. Make sure to document each step for repeatability. Finish by consolidating all findings into a single timeline. Export it as CSV or PDF for review and forensics. You should secure copies and set read-only permissions so nothing changes. Explain why. A clean, timestamped record supports analysis and prevents accidental alteration. If things go wrong, history missing or entries deleted, check alternate profiles, hidden application folders, and the system's temporary or cache directories, and then try a targeted recovery tool.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.